Welcome to this CommunicatorGo training session. In this video, we'll cover calling features and conference calls in the CommunicatorGo mobile app. We'll walk through how to make and manage calls, explore in-call features, review call history, and finish by looking at how to start and join conference calls. Let's dive in. Section 1. Phone screen and dialer. When you first open the mobile app, the phone screen appears. This is the default dialer view. At the bottom is the call button, and its color tells you what type of call can be placed. Green means you can place a standard SIP call using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Yellow means you can place a callback call using mobile data only. Gray means no calls can be made because there's no network connection. If the button is yellow and the callback option is configured, you can still place calls even if the soft phone is not registered. Long pressing the call button will also trigger a callback to the entered number. If the dialer is empty, pressing the call button will redial your most recent number. Long pressing the back button will delete the number from the dialer. The number field is fully editable, so you can change digits before making the call. The dialer also includes a predictive search feature. You can type numbers or phone words, and the system will search your extension directory, your device phone book, and your central phone book. For example, typing 84 will match numbers with 84 and names containing the letters T, U, V, and G, H, I. Once a result appears, you can swipe down to hide the keypad and see the contact list in full. Long pressing a contact in the predictive results opens a quick menu. From here, you can send a message, send an email, view details, or copy the phone number. The dialer also supports pause and wait to dial options. Long press the asterisk key to add a comma, which inserts a 2-second pause. Long press the pound key to add a semicolon, which prompts you for confirmation before sending the next digits. These are helpful when dialing numbers that require extensions or pins. Section 2. Calls and in-call features. When you make or receive a call, the SIP call screen will appear and you'll see the Call Control Center screen. You can mute your microphone so the other person cannot hear you. You can turn on speakerphone for hands-free conversations or when you want others nearby to listen in. You can also place the call on hold, which plays music until you resume or transfer the call. Now, let's look at the additional options which you'll find in the Options menu. The first option is Transfer Call. This lets you send the call to another person. To transfer, tap Options, then Transfer. You can transfer in two ways. A direct transfer, sometimes called a blind transfer, sends the caller immediately to the destination. A supervised transfer puts your call on hold and allows you to first speak with the person you're transferring to before completing the transfer. From the transfer screen, you can select a contact from your favorites, your company directory, or your phone book. You can also type in an external number manually. Once you've chosen the destination, select Direct or Supervised to complete the process. Next is Switch Device. This option lets you move the call from your mobile app to another device, such as your desk phone, desktop client, or another registered number you've saved under My Phone numbers. To switch, open the Options menu, tap Switch Device, then select where you want the call to go. The app will immediately transfer the live call to that device, so you can continue your conversation without interruption. The Options menu also includes call recording if recording has been enabled for your extension. Tap Start Recording to begin. While recording is active, a recording indicator will appear on your screen. You can pause or resume the recording at any time, and when you're finished, tap Stop Recording to end it. Recordings are saved to your system according to your company's phone system settings. Another powerful feature is Invite, which allows you to create an instant conference. We'll cover conferences shortly. Finally, you'll find the dial pad option, which lets you send DTMF tones. This is necessary for entering digits in IVR menus, voicemail systems, or PIN-based access codes. Tap Dial Pad to bring up the dial pad. Enter the digits you need, then click anywhere outside of the dial pad to return to the main call screen when you're done. All of these features give you flexibility to manage calls effectively. Whether you're transferring, switching to another device, recording, or creating a quick conference, everything you need is just a tap away in the Options menu. The app also supports simultaneous calls. If a new call comes in while you're on one, answering will put the first call on hold. The app will automatically exit multiple call mode when one call ends. You can also take over a call from another device. The app shows all active calls for your extension, and tapping the takeover icon ends the call on the other device and moves it to your mobile app. Indicators on the call screen show if a call is encrypted, if it's being recorded, or if microphone permissions are missing. A call quality indicator also provides real-time metrics like jitter, packet loss, and round-trip time. This information can be tapped for more details and exported for troubleshooting. Section 3. Call Management and History. The Recents tab shows a list of your recent calls. You can access this from the top right of the phone screen or by going to More, then Dashboard, and choosing Recents. From here, you can search by name or number, tap avatars for contact details, or long press a call entry for quick actions like sending a message, sending an email, or copying the number. Call history is fully synchronized across desktop, mobile, and web. Calls placed or received on one device will appear on all of them. Marking a missed call as seen will sync everywhere, and deleting history will remove it across all devices. Up to 1 month of call history is synced when you log in. If you need technical details for troubleshooting, tap the info icon during a call to see statistics for incoming and outgoing traffic. Section 4. Conference Calls. The mobile app supports both instant conferences and static conference rooms. Instant conferences let you add participants to a call on the fly. During an active call, press Invite, then select a contact or dial a number. You can also start a conference directly from the Conferences section. Press the conference button and add participants from your contact list or by typing numbers manually. If someone misses an instant conference, they can still join it from the Call History tab, as long as the conference is still active. Static conferences are predefined rooms created by your PBX administrator. These appear in your conference list with a name and conference number. Selecting one will show you the list of participants and an option to join. Participants are displayed in 2 groups, those already in the conference and those invited but not yet joined. The conference list screen shows all active conferences. It includes the conference name, number of participants, and a join button. If participants are present, you'll also see their names and avatars. Section 5. Best Practices. Before wrapping up this video, here are a few best practices. Always check the color of the call button to confirm your connection before dialing. Use pause and wait to dial options for numbers with extensions or pins to save time. Keep your call history organized by regularly reviewing and clearing old entries. When hosting a conference, use the invite option to quickly bring in the right participants. Export call quality metrics if you experience issues and share them with your support team. This concludes our training on calling features and conference calls in the CommunicatorGo mobile app. You've learned how to use the dialer, place and manage calls, review call history, and set up or join conferences. With these tools, you can stay connected and collaborate effectively from anywhere. Thanks for watching and happy calling.